Presenting the 2011 BMW X5. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. And memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. This vehicle comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, power steering. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Stability control. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.